I am like so bored. If I could describe any way of how bored I was, you have to like take the variant turn bored into like a variable and then like go calculate it with this other stuff and it's uncalculatable. The point is I'm bored. What's the thing to do? Oh wait, yeah. Hello?
Oh, hi, Message Pig. Did you steal the eggs yet?
No, I'm too busy being bored to steal them.
Well, stop being bored and go steal them. I'm hungry.
Okay, fine, I'll do it. Whatever. That's all. What the? Keeping how the hell did you just hear that?
Because I did. Now you better go get those eggs for me, or else I'll cry.
No, ain't even crying. Okay, I'll get you the eggs, okay? Alright, see you later, come on, where's the stupid pig? Hey, you guys, come on!
Come on, get it, come on! You got it! There's only like one guy left, you got it! He's only like right there! Come on! Yeah, we're done it! Woo! Yeah, but like victory royale! Woo! Yeah!
Hey guys, what the hell are you guys doing?
We just got here with victory royale in Fortnite!
Wait, Fortnite? I told you guys you couldn't play that for a week!
But yeah, we really hate you, so yeah, we love like Fortnite way better, so yeah.
Give me that.
What the heck? Hey, that's a controller.
Yeah, and if you don't help me get the eggs, I'll blow up Fortnite.
What the? You can't blow up Fortnite. It's a computer game.
Yeah, and I'll blow it up if you don't help.
We just there to come on. Fine.
Hey, Redbeard. What? Can't play Fortnite? No, you can't play Fortnite. Hey, Redbeard. What? Can you play Mario Kart? No, you can't play Mario Kart. We're busy guarding the eggs. Hey, Redbeard. What? Can you play Smash Brothers? No! You can't play any kind of video game right now. It's our turn to guard the eggs, and we gotta watch the pigs. Okay? So just stay still and watch the eggs, and don't let any other pigs get it. Okay? Hey, Redbeard. What? Can I play Fortnite? Oh, wait, guys, I have an idea. Listen, you guys are going to play Fortnite in real life. Yes, so listen, the pigs are all the enemies, and whenever you see one come, it's like a brand new game mode in Fortnite. This is the llama package, and you cannot let any of the pigs touch it. Got it? Oh yeah, we're definitely on it.
Look at them. They're disgusting. They're just standing there watching some double eggs. And here I am trying to get them so the keeping won't cry.
So, Keepy, so message me. How exactly are we gonna get the eggs?
Oh, that's easy. I have devised a super awesome plan to go get the eggs. It cannot possibly fail. Alright, so here's what I want you to do.
What the heck are you saying? All you're saying is,
Oh, sorry. Anyway, what I need you to do is, I need you to go down there and just ask for the egg, okay?
Okay. Hey guys, can I have the eggs?
Yeah, he knows there's no way you're getting our llama package. Yeah, get out of here, you stupid pig.
What the heck? Come out here. You try it.
Okay.
Well, that didn't work. You do it. The Amers didn't even beat you up.
I know,
I guess I'm gonna have to do this myself.
So did you get him?
No. Keeping it lucky, maybe you shouldn't. No!